Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to throw you guys out some service tips on adjusting your rear parking brake. A lot of the Chinese ATVs, most of all the newer models, you guys, are coming with that rear parking brake as shown, this style right here. Pretty cool to have, additional feature, as well as, you have the front brakes. This is your front brake, but it also has a parking feature, as you know, a parking lock. But this is just strictly a brake. So they are including this rear parking brake, and I want to show you guys how to adjust it. A lot of times when they come out of the box, a lot of you customers that are ordering these online, you'll notice that the wheels are a bit tight, and generally it's not the chain to be adjusted. You do want to adjust this nut right here. You got to back this out counterclockwise with a 12 millimeter, and then you adjust it. The further you turn this in or turn it out, it adjusts. There's a little piston in here, and it adjusts the rear brake, making it tighter or looser. Generally, out of the box, sometimes you have to loosen them up so the wheels do roll freely, but yet when you pull the handbrake here, it still locks in place. Now, let's look here at the Apollo Sniper 125. Has the same situation going on over here. You do have this nut right here. So what you do, you guys, what I like to do generally, if it's out of the box or not, or you just have to do periodic service as it wears, put it on the jack, as you can see here, so the wheels, you can rotate them freely, and then you can make your adjustment here. You don't want to make it too tight, so you take the 12 millimeter here, you loosen this up, and then you could adjust this by turning it counterclockwise or clockwise, depending where you want it, and the wheels should still roll freely. But yet on this style here, as you noticed, it's a pull brake, parking brake here. Again, this is a parking brake, always keep that in mind. So it locks the rear wheels in place, as well as you do have your front hydraulic. Most of all the Apollo ATVs now have four-wheel hydraulic disc brakes. Of course, this would be your front brake disc brake, as well as it does have a locking feature to lock the wheels when you want to park it. But this is an additional feature they're adding on all the kids and teenager ATVs. So this will lock it in place by placing this down. It locks the lever in place. And again, to make your adjustment, you guys, when it's out of the box, throw it up on a jack here, loosen this with a 12 millimeter over here, loosen it up counterclockwise, and then this allows you to freely adjust the front with an additional 12 millimeter here, moving it counterclockwise or clockwise depending where you want it, and the wheels should still roll freely. So hope you guys use these tips here. I did receive some emails and comments on some of my service videos. I want to throw this out to you guys. Again, this is just periodic service or sometimes out of the box. Those of you that are out of the area and you have no choice but to order these online and do your own setup, and the wheels are not rotating freely, start with this right here. This should free things up here, but as long as that still locks it in place, you're good to go. So hope you guys are well. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care.